Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the door and removing handles. Use a #2 Phillips or Torx T20, depending on fasteners. Once done, take one clear photo of the lock orientation so reassembly matches. Then undo the faceplate screws and carefully slide the multi-point gearbox toward the door edge. This exposes the latch mechanism. Make sure to keep screws in order. Use a small tray. This prevents confusion later and speeds repairs, because you can replace parts in the exact same position. Now diagnose the problem by operating the spindle and watching the cams and rollers. You want to see where binding occurs and why. If a roller or cam is worn or a grub screw has backed out, replace it. This restores smooth travel. Once components look sound, spray dry PTFE into pivot points. Avoid heavy grease that attracts grit. If you notice 2 to 3 mm misalignment, loosen strike plates and realign so the latch enters smoothly. These steps fix most sticking actions. Reassemble the gearbox and handles, then test 3 full lock/unlock cycles to confirm operation. Make sure the spindle engages the mechanism fully. If the deadlock doesn't set, check spindle length and center locking pin engagement. If binding returns, loosen the striker slightly and retest. Small adjustments often cure rubbing. If the internal cam is fractured or parts repeatedly fail, replace the gearbox unit. If you still struggle, call a locksmith. This avoids damaging the door or voiding warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.